you doing?
I ain't doing nothing. Just watching. Trying to get this cold start better. Blame the tuner.
Yeah. Ronnie, you know what you're doing? Nope.
Put a little timing in there down low. A little timing. Get it a little hotter.
It's raining. It was raining. We're at Farmington Dragway. Daggone swap meet going on. People everywhere. Bunch of junk. Got all the other guys over here. Trying to drag the track off. We're gonna try to make some passes. Get back with y'all. Happy birthday, Zach!
Happy birthday!
Woo! 21! Hey guys, so Farmington got rained out. Some big ass cloud come in and took us out there at the end, but they called it. So we went to grab a bite to eat as a big group, and now we are on the way to an undisclosed spot again in Mexico that we have permission to be at. So that's a good deal. But on the way there and to make some hits.
Sound like it hit rev limiter.
Amen.
That was fucking weird, though. Did you hook pretty fucking?
Hey, I think it hooked in water.
It hooked in water, but I got out there and it got on top of the tire, and I don't know. He'll be able to tell, but it spun, and I don't know if on the shit something happened, and it was spinning. And all of a sudden, just grabbed again and took back off. Felt like it tried to pull the wheels off the
It
ground.
didn't hit bang limiter? That's what it sounded like out here.
I don't think so. It might have, but it was because it spun. But right after that, it grabbed.
You hear that? That's a gap train coming through.
Gap train.
His name's Hood Rat.
That's right. Hooks in friggin' water.
Say it again. Say that about him again.
Whenever me and Luke Glass raced at the Digger Die, I think it was not this past summer, but the one before, I let go of the button and he jumped out on me instantly, just a little bit. And as soon as he did, I grabbed the scramble and I held it down the whole way. Like, I couldn't have pushed that button any harder, and I couldn't have pushed the damn gas pedal any harder. I ended up winning by like an inch, but I took his gold chain too.
And you made him spend a bunch of money.
Well, I didn't make him. He spent a bunch of money on his own.
He said, I ain't getting beat by that raggedy
He
car
probably had
again.
to spend like 30 grand. Luke Glass, if you're watching, leave a comment.
I'm gonna send him the link now just because this is on the next video.
You should.
I need to get in the habit of just holding it out and just let it and let Trevor just clip it, but it's all, he don't like to clip videos.
When we're talking shit and stuff. I don't mind clipping videos. What are you talking about?
Okay.
But like, I can't put all that. It's gotta be family friendly. I mean, as I
When
call
you
each other
get-
pussies all the
Are you
time.
recording?
He's always recording.
yeah.
Now. See?
Whatever.
Say it. Call him a pussy.
No, it's not what I was going to say. I was just going to tell him something else.
What? Go ahead. Rain let up, Trevor. Let's get it.
And his first pass was in the rain.
We'll see what this does. If we need to, we'll talk in front of it.
CO2's on.
Did it just rev higher that time?
Yeah.
Okay.
Turn the RPMs up.
Too spicy for what we need.
So?
That was fast though.
Yeah. It wheelied.
It did wheelie.
Did it? It was a.
Other than that, how did it feel?
Good. Hits a tire hard. We could hit it fucking harder on this road though.
Yeah.
I mean, this some bitch would wheelie, no problem.
You think this is better and bigger die?
Yeah.
Really?
So. Is the road still wet, Phil?
Damn.
Damn.
Look at the water, man. Now I'll tell you, wheelie in water. Wet wheelie.
Hooking in water to wheeling in water.
Just did a wet wheelie, y'all.
Wet wheelie.
Wet wheelie.
You say give him a wet wheelie.
Yeah, give him one.
Oh God.
Come here,
Oh
Trevor.
God. Oh God. Oh God. He about got it.
Well,
I'm gonna pull off.
you gonna do another one?
I think so.
Yeah.
I mean, what do you want to try to turn it down a little bit?
Yeah.
We'll keep that one.
We'll try to
that
not.
may be good. If
Tried.
Zach,
What?
what'd you go get? Oh,
Big
Kim
old
Buck.
dud.
Pile of
Big
crap.
old dud.
A pile of crap. And it's smoking too.
Yeah, from what?
Smoking hot.
Why is it smoking?
Because it's Camaro.
Because you're reckless with.
Yeah, 4th gen race Camaro.
Because you're reckless with oil lines.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, she's still burning off a little bit. Oh, what we got right here pulled up on the laptop?
Baby boost numbers.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me clip that out.
No, you leave it in.
Showing all
Okay.
the secrets.
I mean, honestly.
So this back out here, new oil line, new O2 sensor, new belt. Right amount of oil, I think.
We think.
We think so.
Put a 3/4 in.
Oh, everything's definitely oiled up.
It's shiny.
Look, the thing this is
I think you got smooth. I don't know what that cutting up thing is. Look good.
It'll do good.
Look, finally somebody you can beat.
give it some action.
I'll beat that right there. Line it up.
Oh boy. You ain't ready for that yet.
Okay.
I hear a grudge race coming.
No burnouts. Like, let's go right
What,
now.
you want the right lane?
I'll take either or. I don't need it. I don't even. We're not doing burnouts either. No burnouts.
I mean, we'll put the tune up in it where it hooked in the water.
Yeah, we still need a burnout.
I don't. I don't now.
We gotta let him do his 8th mile hit first. He's taking a while. Listen, he's on a mini
Yeah,
bike.
I've heard it for like 2 minutes.
That's a bicycle.
Dang.
Look at that run you got.
Local crackheads out here.
No burnout tune up right there.
Venezuela, Mexico.
Strobe for the brake light.
Yeah.
Mine strobes too.
Where we at this time? I ain't told them where we at.
Venezuela.
Venezuela?
Something. I think.
I
that's how
thought
they say
we was in Leon, Nicaragua.
We
Something
went
like
further
We can go there.
south than we
Yeah,
did the
further.
last
I
time
thought we got
went down
lost. I
there.
thought it was
Right.
Warhead.
it. Somewhere.
Shout out to Miss Universe.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
We took the wrong way on the fork in Albuquerque and wound up in Mexico.
That works.
Not New Mexico though, real Mexico.
Ready?
Give me a check.
All right, guys. After this is burn out, I'll get back with you. Robbie, what do you think this thing's gonna do?
It's an F-body Camaro. We don't know.
I'm not sure. There's tons of F bodies. Everybody talks about how everybody races Fox bodies and stuff. There's just as many F bodies as there are Fox bodies for
yeah.
sure.
They're everywhere.
Right. Neither one of those were border patrol, so we're good.
Yeah.
It's raining again, guys. Should be able to see that. Road ain't too bad yet, but it is raining. Holding up traffic too. We're good? You said we're good? Got more cars coming.
Should do better.
That was way better.
Wrong way, Sancho.
Really?
You went faster.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, I'll show you. That's 400s faster than 332.
Yeah. Not bad.
But we gotta turn it down.
I know. We turned it down and it went faster.
You just can't hold it back, and it's still raining. It's still drizzling.
Yeah, it was raining on that still.
60 foot, 330. All right, I just got done making my hit, maybe the last one for the night. I'm not sure. It's starting to rain a whole lot harder now.
Trevor, grab that charger so it doesn't wet.
All right. Just gonna clip that up. Just throw it in here.
I'll have to rearrange the trailer because I moved the tires.
Is that my tire pressure gauge?
Yeah.
Okay. That's fine, whatever. We'll figure it out.
I thought this was going to be the last time.
All right, guys, I just got done making my hit. It's raining. Zach's out here again. Just got done getting it cooled off. Changed a couple things. Put some more in it. And made some adjustments to the fuel. We got a new O2 sensor in it, and it was doing some funky stuff. We're not sure exactly what, but did we give it fuel or take fuel away? I think we gave it fuel. But we can go up here. We can make a hit. See y'all at the burnout. tell them make sure it's straight.
Hit him with it. What happened?
Before we couldn't go faster, now you can't go slower.
Yeah, so it's still a little too fast. It did slow down. Oh, what's up?
Ain't power on?
It is. All right, so it did slow down a little bit, not as much as we wanted it to. It did still do a small little wheelie. But I got out there, looks like about 200, between 250 and 300, and it knocked the tire, and it got a lot of wheel speed in it. I mean, if I was racing somebody, I'd pedal to get back in it, but
Yeah.
I mean, whatever.
We're not racing nobody.
Right, so we're gonna turn it down again and still try to get that magical 60 foot we're looking for, the number we got in our head.
130.
Yeah,
So,
maybe a 128 to 130 is what we're looking for.
yeah.
For
One,
Digger Die.
one teens maybe. Feeling spicy.
Yeah, that's a little spicy. Maybe in the final round, 1 team.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we're looking after a magical number that we want, as Trigby will before. I haven't raced there in a while, but these guys have, so we all kind of agree what we need for first round, and we're gonna get there, whether it's tonight or later, but we're gonna get there.
Okay. We'll try again.
We're gonna try it again. All right, Zach, enough about me. You about to make another one?
We're going to try.
What'd we do different?
Just made it not spicy.
Non-spicy too.
Non-spicy. It was too spicy.
Too spicy. All right.
This thing likes to be, you know, like
Lug
it
it. Likes to
you
lug
gotta
it out.
lug it out. Yeah.
It's all them cubic inches you got.
No, it's small cubic inches. I just don't know why I don't like it. I don't know. I might change some bar angle stuff this winter.
Yeah.
I might get like the lower control arms that weld in.
Think we
Like
need
get
to-
even more out of
I think we
it.
should take one of these data logs and send it to the converter guy.
No.
You think
I mean,
so?
it feels all right.
Does it? Okay.
I mean, everything feels all right. I don't know. I mean, it is all new stuff, so I don't know.
Yeah.
Really, I mean, I just need more seat time. And
Oh yeah, 100%. All right. We're gonna go up here and make another rip, and hopefully she goes down
yeah,
fast.
yeah. That's all we can do, right?
Who we going
Yeah.
after at Digger Die?
Huh?
Who we going after at Digger Die?
Someone besides myself. I don't care. Like,
Anybody can get us. What you're saying?
no, I had someone talking smack on Facebook, but I don't want. I'm worried. I want to get my own self down first.
Right.
I'm not even worried about that shit no more.
You don't want to beat yourself.
Yeah, I'm tired of beating myself, and I always, for the last year, beat myself. With old pressure sensors exploding, the factory ones, trans cooler lines breaking. I'm tired of that crap. Like,
Old line breaking the other
Yeah, I'm
night.
trying to just get my own self
Sorted out.
sorted out. I don't care. I mean, as long as we're making PBs
Right.
at Digger Die, I don't care.
Right.
If we go rounds doing it, cool. You know what I'm saying? So we'll see.
I got you. All right.
I mean, if I can put on the trailer first round from whoever wins the class, so be it. I don't care.
Right.
I'm trying to get myself better. You know, so that's where we're at.
Now we're gonna back up and do it again.
Yeah, life update.
Life is that. Here, you seen it here first.
Yeah, let's try it.
See you out there. It's raining pretty fucking hard. We'll make the call when he gets up here, if it's raining too bad or not. If it gets any,
It's raining harder than it's been the whole time.
I'm just gonna tell him try to make a 60 foot and get out of it.
Yeah.
Hey Robbie, what do you think about telling him just try to make a 60 foot and get out of it? Yeah.
Yeah.
These Hoosiers don't like that shit. Putting it down pretty hard now, guys. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for the night. Too wet. Been battling rain all freaking night. That was nothing but a damn burnout, but I guess that's a wrap. Does testing this weekend, unless it dries up enough tomorrow. If it does, we'll see y'all then.